Hello, my YouTube family. How are y'all doing today? It's me and Kira. We mukbanging, yes, at Food Sakis. Yes, I have. I'm trying to get y'all to see them. Okay, let's see this. Hello, my YouTube family. It's me and Kira. This is my adopted daughter. We mukbanging on my lunch break at Food Sakis. Yes, we are. And let me show y'all what I have. And oh, hey, it's been a blessed day today, like always. And it's going to continue to be blessed. I don't know if y'all see what I got. I ain't putting leaning all the way over now because I don't want my food to be on the floor. And I have some buffalo. I have buffalo chicken to go with my salad. Yes. Kira, what you have?
Just some buffalo tenders.
And Kira had buffalo tenders. She don't know her food to be on the floor, so she ain't leaning all the way over for y'all now. But it's just so wonderful today, and we're gonna enjoy this lunch. They cooked that for us at work, but I ain't want no hamburgers. Okay, but I am gonna go back and be fat and get me a snack though. Yes, I am. I'm gonna get a snack. But you know, we had hamburgers. My husband had steak and probably baked potatoes to go with theirs.
They be eating fast over
They
there.
eat fast on that side over there. One day we're gonna move on up one day. Yes. Yeah, Kira, she my adopted daughter. You know, she have a mother and a father, a good mother and a good father. But Kira took all me and I just took him into it. Now y'all don't think I have no money. I don't have no money. She ain't calling me because of no money. She calling me because of I show her love. I show you love, Kira.
Yes.
Don't lie. I show you love, Kira.
Yes, ma'am.
But yes, we just banging it on out and stuff. And I told her I wanted to do one with her, but we supposed to went to Love Seafood. That's where we was gonna go. But Kira said she wanted to do sex, so it's wherever she wanted to go. So yeah, that's what we doing. Yeah.
I thought she was gonna give me some more tenders. She just put my tenders in the buffalo.
That's it. They gonna get better as fuck.
Give me some more tenders.
It look like you should have. Just throw them on up in there, so I don't care if they. That what's the name of that virus?
Coronavirus.
What if you had coronavirus? You took that back up there, she dipped it up in that sauce and she could have.
Then they all see.
And everybody would come here and be sick. I pray to God that we don't see that here because I don't need that. I know it's already here, but they just haven't confirmed or whatever. But all them people when they come in there, all that, you know, barking and stuff, I be running because I have to go home to my babies and I do not want them sick. I don't want to be sick.
Especially not the baby, because
No, I don't want the baby sick, period.
I'm about me some live from I can make it work.
And your baby them don't need to be sick either, especially your little baby with both of
Bella
them.
just got there being sick.
This a big salad, y'all, but I'm going to eat it. And I am going to enjoy this salad. I don't care if I be late going to bed. So, Amber, I know you be watching my video, so don't get mad because Kira came up here on my lunch. She wanted to see me. We supposed to been did a lunch date during Christmas time. But I kept putting it off. Kira kept putting it off. We kept doing whatever. So,
And that baby popped out one day.
and that baby popped out one day. So it was too late. Oh, I didn't bless my food. Now we back on and popping, y'all. I'm gonna go home today and I'm gonna cook this thing. It's a taco casserole. I think it's a taco casserole. It's a I got my plate all on your side. That's so rude.
You sound good. Taco casserole.
I think that's what it is.
That's all my mama do. What she doing for me? I never tried asparagus before.
This should be good
baked
steak.
chicken.
That sound good.
Since I'm on my little diet.
Little diarrhea.
I ain't eat yesterday for real. I probably just ate my own Subway sandwich if I ate.
What did I eat? Yesterday on my lunch I had a salad. For breakfast I had fruit when I got home. I had cooked the what was the steak what's it called? Tacos because I had left the refried beans out. And then my husband looked at me and said for refried beans. He said, you did have refried beans? I said, I know I had refried beans, but I can't find them. So I'm gonna cook it today because it's hard for refried beans.
I was trying to find that steak you was talking about. I was trying to find that thing you was telling me about. Then they came up there last week. And that was last week, wasn't it? Yeah, it was last week.
Oh,
The real thing.
the real.
No, it wasn't real. It was something you had told me about. You had cooked.
I had cooked the Philly cheesesteak thing. Be over there in Frozen. I have to show it to you.
I thought I had seen today in the grocery store when my mom had me.
But guys, me and Kira are gonna finish enjoying our lunch. This salad good with the buffalo chicken. And y'all don't even know everything we talk about either. So, guess what? Look at my husband keep on texting me, telling me what they having at their store. Talking about they having steak, connectors, and hamburgers too. And we only having connector sausages and hamburgers and chips and drinks and probably cake. That's what he keeps texting me, telling me. But that's okay though. I'm at food because I'm not at work eating. So he can enjoy his steak that he sent me, his ribeye steak. Shoot, I don't care about that. I ain't even gonna get mad about that because that'll just be too bad. But me and Kira finna tell y'all, peace out and be blessed, and we will see y'all the next time. Well, y'all will see me this evening, guys. Y'all be blessed. Love you. Until the next time, hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up button. I love you guys, and always be blessed. Keep your head up, build someone up, and not tear them down. See you later.